Yeah.
Everybody puts their ball there.
Okay. I think I'm gonna hit that tree.
Think farther.
Oh! That wasn't the tree I was thinking, but... Right here, you can see it. Sorry. Now I gotta go find the bright ball again.
I don't know what you're doing.
Actually, I'll wait. She might do the same thing I did.
Dad, if you put this on Facebook, I'm gonna kick your ass.
Them's fighting words right there.
Practice
She
swing.
just whiffed it.
I get nervous, okay?
Get her knees. She just whiffed it again.
I didn't with the ball, that was the problem.
It went like 2 inches.
I'm done. I can't get it to go. Okay, seriously, do not. I will
You better stop recording. That's a long video.
It's only 1:25.
edit it. It was all me.
Here's Megan.
You'll get it.
I think Megan's gonna whiff it too.
Whiffed it.
And it rolled.
Yep, that's a better one. We'll use
Rolled to
that
that
one.
tree down there.
Okay, Devin.